Johnson Jeffers, the director at Camp Capers, Episcopal Camp and Retreat Center here in Waring, Texas. We've been fortunate enough through this hard time to have water and power, and we want to share it with our local community. So we're opening up our cabins for showers and water and just a place to stay warm. You can come during the day. Right now we're opening up from 1 to 8 on Friday, and we'll be posting more if we need to open up for more days. But we welcome any and all that need water and warmth. Welcome, come on in. Welcome. So each of our bathrooms has 2 toilets, 2 sinks, and 2 showers. We're offering each family to come in and use a cabin. You'll check in with some of our staff at the quad of cabins and come in. We're just asking each family to clean up after they use the cabin. There's no charge. We just want to extend a helpful hand to the local community, and since we're so fortunate to be able to have power and water, to share that with everyone else. We do have handicap accessible showers if that is needed as well.